Now that we have the buffalo chicken dip filled into the peppers, we perforated the chicken skins on the thigh itself, took them off. We wrapped the jalapenos in the chicken skins, and now we're ready to season. Then we'll get them on the smoker.
All right.
Sound good?
Cool.
All right, so we're gonna use the Mad Maddie's. It's a garlic butter seasoning. And I taught you how to
Is this high enough?
shake. That's a little high. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, this is...
Nice even coat, not too much, not too light. You're seasoning everything within a 5-mile radius. That's good. I like that.
Does it look okay?
Yeah, that's perfect.
A 5-mile radius.
Jeez. We seasoned the table, the cutting board,
Good
my
thing
shoes.
you have more than one of these right here.
It's fine. It's fine.
Now we flip them.
Can I see that for a second? I'm just gonna get a little bit on these.
All right.
Just a little. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna get them on the grill.
Oh, okay.
I'll hold this and you can put them on.
Perfect.
Yep, just pick them up individually, lay them on the grill. Okay, close it up.
Oh.
Then we'll smoke those at 275 for about 45 minutes, and then we'll take them off the grill, get the grill up to about 350, more direct, and then we'll finish them off by grilling them, and they'll get crispy and ready to eat.
Cool. Can't
Sounds good.
wait. Yeah.